Hi guys, here is the What is Starship video I promised to make when I hit 100 subs. The Spacex Starship system consists of a family of spacecraft, a super heavy booster, and a ground support infrastructure, all under development by Spacex. When the booster and a suitable spacecraft are stacked together, the result is a fully reusable, two-stage to orbit super heavy lift launch vehicle. Some members of the spacecraft family can return to Earth for reuse, while others are intended to remain in space for other missions. As of August 2021, the two-stage stack is the world's tallest and most powerful rocket ever built. With more than twice the thrust of the Saturn V, the booster stage is named Super Heavy. The spacecraft are named Starship, unlike a traditional launch vehicle's second stage. The Starship spacecraft acts as a second stage during launch from Earth and then acts in its long-duration role once it has reached orbit. As cargo, a passenger-carrying spacecraft, or a lander to transport cargo and crew to the surfaces of bodies such as the Moon and Mars. The booster and some variants of the spacecraft are being designed to be capable of landing on Earth, recovery, and reflight, while spacecraft that remain in space are designed to be refueled for continued long-term operation. The booster, the spacecraft, and fuel and oxidant storage tanks on the ground are all constructed with stainless steel hulls 9 meters 30 feet in diameter. Starship System development began in 2016 as a self-funded private spaceflight project. 4 years after work began on the Raptor rocket engine that powers both stages, flight testing of the Starship spacecraft began in 2019 with low-velocity launches and landings, and extended through high-altitude descent tests into May 2021, when Starship SN-15 became the first prototype to successfully complete a high-altitude atmospheric test flight and be recovered. On August 14, 2021, SpaceX CEO Elon Musk tweeted that an orbital Starship test flight should be ready in a few weeks pending regulatory approval. An environmental assessment for FAA approval is needed, including a 30-day public comment period and assessment of those comments. The Starship system is designed to carry cargo and eventually passengers to destinations including low Earth orbit, the Moon, and Mars. It is an integral part of SpaceX's mission to establish a permanent human presence on Mars over the long term. In April 2020, NASA selected a modified Starship system as one of 3 potential lunar landing system design concepts to receive funding for a 10-month-long initial design phase for the NASA Artemis program. On the 16th of April 2021, NASA contracted SpaceX to develop a modified crew-rated Starship vehicle to serve as the lunar lander in the Artemis program. The SpaceX South Texas launch site, referred to by SpaceX as Starbase, and also known as the Boca Chica launch site, is a private rocket production facility, test site, and spaceport constructed by SpaceX. Located at Boca Chica, approximately 32 kilometers, 20 miles, east of Brownsville, Texas, on the U.S. Gulf Coast. As of August 2021, most manufacturing and all test flights have been conducted there, and SpaceX is doing a great job right now. Hope you all know MRE about Starship now. Thanks for watching. Bye humans.